Hello everyone, you are welcome to another video. So in today's video we want to see how to use the custom filters in Microsoft Excel. So we are going to be continuing with the online retail dataset, and in order to access the custom filter, you can click on this downward arrow, and in this text filters you can find the custom filter option here. When you click on it, in the description or in the criteria there are a number of options available. So if, let's say, in this description we want to get the description that contains knitted, okay, so this is contains, you can type knitted and then you click OK. So you can see the number of records that we have, 794 records. So they all contain knitted. Now, while you can use the custom filter, you want to check through these options first. And if the criteria you want to use can be found among these options, you can click on it directly instead of going through the custom filter. And also, when you come to the number column, numeric column, you also have the custom filter available there. You can see when you click on it, you can choose out of the options that are there. Okay, the quantity. Let's say we want to go to between. Numbers, we want to choose the between. Okay, so you can say 6. So we are looking for quantities that are between 6 and 20. So we click on OK. You can see. So these are the values between 6 and 20. So you need to take note of the fact that these records have not been sorted. Okay, so they are actually irregular in the arrangement. And the reason why the 6 is showing is because the criteria stipulates that it is greater than or equal to. So that means 6 will show, and then it's less than or equal to 20, so that means 20 will also show. So one of the things you need to take note of is what we call the search panel. Now, in the text filter, for instance, you can search for the specific results that you are looking for. Okay, let's say you want to search for Christmas, or the description of the product that has Christmas in them. So when you click on Christmas and then you click OK, so you can see over 25,000 records were found to contain Christmas. So all about this, and this result is irrespective of where the word Christmas is placed. Some are placed before the other words, some are placed after other words. So but then also, using the custom filter, you can narrow down your search results. You can narrow down your filter. So if, let's say, you are looking for Christmas that comes after other words, okay, so Christmas ends the description, such as for instance, this paper chain kit 50s Christmas. So descriptions like this, where Christmas end end the description. So if you want to narrow down your search, you simply come to the description pane here, and when you click on it, you go to the text filter, and then head off to the custom filter, and you have a number of options. So you use the option called ends with. Okay, so it should end with Christmas. Okay, so I want you to take note of the fact that over 25 records were found when we use the search panel to get when we use the search panel for Christmas. So now we want to look for the product that ends with Christmas. So when we click on this, can you see now? This is 7,900 products that were found that ends with the word Christmas. So you can see this is how you use a custom filter to be able to narrow down your search specifically to what you want to achieve. So with this, we have actually come to the end of the filtering series in Microsoft Excel. Bye for now.